In this lecture, we are going to cover string data type in detail along with slice operations, right? So what is a string data type? It is a string data type when you declared your variable with a string, then it is this variable is nothing but a string data type. The Python virtual machine allocates string is as a string class, right? So here, how many ways we declare the string? Suppose this is a name is a variable. With the double quotes, you may declare your string Srikanth. At a time, with the help of single quotes, also you may declare string. At a time, you may declare 3 colons. With the help of this also you can declare, and with the help and 3 different colons, double quotes, you may declare. So in this way we can declare our variable. These all are nothing but string data types. So how it will be stores your data? Index format it will be stored. Index format means each and every character is having separate index. Here it follows the index are two-way direction, positive and negative. In this Python is only having this facility. So the positive index from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative index start from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. In this way, the index will be allocated. So here, if in case I want to print the variable like ABC within the string, I want to place single quotes, I want to place double quotes, I want to place single quotes as well as double quotes. It is a possible. It is a possible. So how it is a possible? Suppose you declared one variable. You declared one variable ABC equal to, so this is your variable fs with Srikanth, your variable. This is a string. Within this with is needs single quotes. It is allows. And from you want to take single quotes here outside. Within this with double quotes it is also allowed, and fs is single quotes and Srikanth is double quotes, it is also allowed. Here how we are accessing this string values, how we are accessing? So with the help of index value. So this is a string value. How we are accessing? Suppose a print name, the value will be printed as Srikanth, right? But I want to print only couple of characters, like only particular character I want to print. How I can print? Based on index number. Print name, you place your index number. Suppose you here you place 5, what it prints? N. Here you place like a 7, what it prints? H it prints. Here you place 0, it prints S. The same way negative directions also. Negative. Print name of -5. What is a -5? K. K it prints. At a time you want to print like a -1, so it will be take H. -8 it will take prints yes. So here if in case I am trying here a print name of index 10, but index 10 value is not available. Then I try to execute this. What I am getting? It is a error. What error this one? Index out of range. So in this way we can print. So in a string data type is allowing for slicing, string slice. It is the most important. Everyone should knows about this. Suppose my string is name equal to Srikanth, and how it will be stored? Already we know that index format S. So how it will be stored? Negative direction -1 Generally with the help of index value it prints like a print name of -7. it prints R, output is R. But the index slicing syntax is I want to print the range values. Range values I want to print. Now what is the first? String colon. Now it is a begin and end, and there's a step is also there, we discuss later. So print begin and end. Begin is always 0, always it is a 0. End is based on your string until end of your string. End of string. Suppose I want to print from 0 to 64, this much characters I want to print. How I can print? Print name. What's the beginning character? You want to take 0 as your begin character, and how much you want to print? A 4. Then what is the output here? SRIKA. This much it will be prints. Suppose I want to print a print name index value like a 3 to 20. I am going to take. No issue here. No issue here. It prints from 3. It will be prints KNTH. But index out of range is not works here. Suppose I want to press a print name. I don't want to provide begin value. I want to provide only end value like a n. Sorry, like 5. Like 5 I want to print. From the beginning it will be print. 5 is index value is this. Suppose I want to provide a print only begin value. I provide only begin value name. What is a begin value? Suppose 4 I provide, and I don't want to provide end. Then even also it prints from the 4 to the rest of the strings it will be print. The same way you can also print negative direction also you can print. Suppose I try to print name. Here I want to take name 1000 character, 1000 from beginning, and 10,000 here. What happened? It is not a error. It is not error. It prints empty string. Empty string it will be prints, not an error. Not only this, so this string concept is perform some operation with plus and into also some operations like Srikanth plus Python. It works. Suppose 3 into Srikanth. It prints Srikanth in 3 times it prints. And if you want to do like a plus symbol and into symbol, it will be allows. So how it will be works, we are going to check. In future you may get very clear understand about this string. Where is our PyCharm? Like suppose first name equal Srikanth. So we need to confirm print type of name. So current file. So what is our current file? This is a string. Now I want to print name of 3. Third character I want to print. What is the third character? K, third character it prints. I want to print negative value. Then negative values, negative direction also it prints. And I want to print slicing format. I want to print slicing format from the begin. I don't want to provide begin, and I want to provide like a 5 I want to provide. Then what happens? From the begin to 5 character, from 0 you consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many? 5 values, 5 index value it prints. I want to provide print from the 3 to, from the begin 3, and suppose I want to print 5, only 5 characters. Then you observe KA it will print 3 characters. Same one I want to go with a negative direction. I am trying to. So different from the begin. What happens? The wrong way I represent here. -3 to -5. What prints? Empty string it prints. It is actually, it is not a possible. Suppose -5 -5. Then you observe from the beginning -5 to it prints. Then it prints, right? KNTH. So here -5. So positive index only we are going to do. So now I want to implement plus and minus. So sorry, I want to print 1000 colon 2000. Then what? Actually it is an index bound, not errors. Empty string it will be generate. So empty string only it generates. Now I want to do print 3 into name. Yes, 3 times Srikanth will be prints 30 times Srikanth will be prints. Now I want to do with this one name plus name. What it does? It prints, means the string can perform with into, I mean the multiplication operator and plus operator. There is no issue here. Suppose I am doing print 3 plus name. It is a possible? It is a type error. Either we are going to do 3 into name, it is a no issue. So this kind of things you can focus. Clearly you focus. Not only a variable, directly I can do print, suppose print 3 into Srikanth. So then it is a possible? Yes, it is a possible. So here you consider Python is very flexible. So you may practice very well. Definitely it is easy to understand. You are not going to practice, it is very difficult to finding how it react each and everything. It is very difficult, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.